Daddy? 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 What time are we going home?
I don't know.
What time?
I will play one more set, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Then we're gonna get many food.
Yeah.
Many food.
You want food again?
Why does this look like the semi-baby's day? Where is this?
Baby's day.
Is this
Ala.
is this the second baby's day?
You had your baby's day last night. You want baby's day again?
But you can bring me food, cause I'm starving.
Again?
Naubos na yun.
You always starving, huh?
Cause I ate Mossiker in the past,
Oh,
and now I'm really hungry.
okay. I'm gonna eat again, huh?
Okay.
What's that?
It's a game.
Maybe after this work, we're gonna find some soup place. I want soup rice, huh?
Okay. I want sinigang.
Oh, sinigang. Saan ako hanap ng sinigang?
Hala, gusto niya sinigang, sir.
Yan yung mga gusto niyang kain. Kasi nagluluto ako eh.
Kaya pala.
Sinigang, paksiw. Sinanay ko siya nung bata.
At least, sir, kumakain siya ng gano'n, no?
Ako kasi mahilig ako sa paksiw eh. Paksiw, yung mga sinigang, tinola. Tomorrow we're gonna cook tinola, right?
But I don't want sinigang.
Tonight?
Oh, naman.
Yes.
Sinigang, hala.
Kaya hanap ka sinigang.
Lagot ka, sir.
Okay. I know where to find sinigang na. Basta matapos tayo ng dito, makakain na sinigang.
That's your favorite?
Maybe, pwede pa.
Oh,
Sa
bata mo
Jerry's
pa.
Grill.
May Jerry's Grill din dito, sir.
Sa pa? Malapit sa SM.
Okay.
Sa likod ng Starbucks.
Ano yung Makati dyan?
Kasi yung daan namin eh.
Doon din, pauwi sa niya, sir?
Malapit din ako sa SM Pampanga.
Okay na? Makati pa?
Ichi?
No.
Okay na.
Tumatawag na si Jill.
Sige, sir.
Game na.
That's your favorite? Sinigang? And then what else? What else, Apollo?
Tinola.
Tinola? Wow.
Sisig.
Sisig. Alam mo pala yung sisig? Maganda yung features niya. Yung car. Maganda. Kaya pala. Go, drive it.